Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Is my voice on screen is confirmed to me, guys? Please type in questions box. All of you get my voice on screen. Please confirm to me. Is my voice is clear to all of you guys? Right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Right. Good morning, guys. Right. Is it good morning or good evening? No, I think so. Good morning. Good evening or good morning? Huh? Right, sir. Order it may be. I think so. As per my plan, as per my view, fan. As per my view, whenever we are meeting first time on the day, it may be evening or it may be afternoon. I think so. We may say good morning. Am I right? That doesn't matter. Java doesn't require good morning and good evening. At all the times, Java is available, right? Anyway, guys, and one small information to you. This is not our original classroom. Actually, we have a classroom at the fifth floor. There nearly 700 members capacity room is available, but where some flooring work is going on. So due to that reason, just first class, only this class, today's class, I'm taking in this classroom. Okay. So next class onwards, we will go to that room only. There we are able to have comfortable environment. Even if you are not feeling good up to today, then don't worry for it. In the next class onwards, we have very good classroom there where some flooring work is going on. That's why I'm taking this. Is my voice is clear to all of you? Is it clear? Right, nice. See, please, all of you, 1 minute I'm telling to you. Take this URL in our notes. All of you are getting notebooks and pens? Yes, take this URL. Take this URL. https:// tinyurl.com/core 6 p.m. notes. All of you, please take this. https:// tinyurl.com/core 6 p.m. notes. Core 6 p.m. notes. Okay. See, why I'm giving this URL to you? In our mobile phones, maybe in our laptops, maybe in our systems, maybe. If we click on this URL, if you open this URL, my regular class notes will be available for you. That we can view, that we can download in our system. So every day, whatever the notes I'm typing inside the class now, the total notes we are able to get into your system. Not required to send separately this particular notes. Just if I type some data in my document, automatically that will come to you if we use this URL. At your home today itself, store or keep this URL safely in your system. Take one text file on your desktop. Inside the text file, then save this core Java 6 p.m. notes like this. Whenever we require that note there, just open this URL. There we are able to get the document. Already I have given download option even for it. We can download at any point of time. That's the first thing here I'm telling to you guys. Okay, nice, leave it. Not required here. And today I'm taking this class in both offline and as well as on like what they know online. Now this demo class is going on in both offline and as well as like what they're online. Try to understand it. No need to have any doubt on this. No, both are available here. We can observe carefully. Apart from this, what is the next point here I'm telling to you? Today, just I want to go for some introduction class here. Today, just I want to go for like what there's some introduction class. What exactly the meaning of Java? What's the meaning of the Java? Why Java is available? And if we want to go for Java programming language, what exactly the things we have to learn? What is there inside the market? What is trending in the outside market? How software industry is going on? What is your next plan of action to complete our course? What benefits we are able to get by joining these courses at Durga Soft, especially in my classes, what we are able to get? Everything we are going to understand today. Whatever the commitments I want to provide in the next duration, today we are going to finalize it. As per that commitment, we are going to work. That's it. So this is the today total agenda, what I'm planning there. But first of all, let's see some introduction content for Java. Some introduction content here we have to understand for what there Java. Now try to understand this clearly. Right, son. All of you observe carefully. Understand this now. All right, I'm asking this question to you guys. Java is available in how many parts there? Now tell me what you are understand about Java. Can I say first one is like what there core Java? First one is like what there core Java, and second one is like what there? Can I say advanced Java? Second one is like what there advanced Java, and third one is like what there J2EE. Come on, guys. Can I say like this? Java is available in three parts. First one is a core Java, second one is advanced Java, and the third one is J2EE. Can I say like this? Definitely. Now, before coming to this class, you might be have awareness on only this classification. Java in the sense only how many parts are available? Three parts. What are the three parts of the Java? Core Java, advanced Java, and what next one? No, J2EE. Yes, all of you are following these points, no? Right, sir. Sir, your response is very, very important. In general, these are the three parts here we are going to understand inside the Java. Fine. Now, what I am telling to you, whatever the classification I have written on this screen, forget about this classification. Just forget about this classification. This is not the right classification which is provided by Sun Microsystems. Whatever the classification here I provided, no, this is not the right classification provided by Sun Microsystems. Sir, what is this Sun Microsystems, sir? First time I'm hearing this Sun Microsystems. What is this actually? I'm asking one question to you. Now try to answer for it. Windows is an operating system. Am I right or not? Windows operating system provided by which company? Microsoft. Windows operating system was provided by Microsoft. Very good. Next one. Oracle is a database. Oracle is a database. Am I right or not? Now the database product was provided by which company? Oracle database was provided by which company? Arey yaar, Oracle Corporation. What's that company name there? Oracle Corporation. Similarly, Java is a programming language. Java is a programming language that was provided by Sun Microsystems initially. Java was provided by which company? Sun Microsystems initially. Right, sir. I want to say one point. No, Java is like a female. Java is like a female. Then male and female, only two categories in outside world. Male is okay, leave it. No, I'm talking about female. Java is like what there, a female, born at one place, but surviving at another place. Am I right? I think so. Don't take in wrong way here. The point is what I am telling there. In general, female are born at mother's home, right? Am I right or not? But after getting married, they have to go for what they know, some other home. Of course, nowadays boys are coming to their uncle's place, right? Am I right or not? Definitely, sir. It's a case are available. Only the point is what I am telling to you. If a madam is working in a company IBM, sir is not having any job. What he has to do? Madam is having job, but sir is not having job. Then what he has to do? He has to come to his uncle's place only, right? Okay, that is a different story. Later I will talk about it. No, but the scenario is Java born at Sun Microsystems. Java born at Sun Microsystems and growing up at Oracle Corporation. Java is grown up at what they know, Oracle Corporation, but born at Sun Microsystems. That's why I'm saying just Java is like what care, no, female care. Understand it clearly, right, sir? Leave this point care anyway. So whatever the classification here, we are saying this is not a right classification. This is not provided by Sun Microsystems. This is provided by Ameripet Institutes only, including Durga Soft. I'm not saying excluding Durga Soft. No. This classification is provided by institutes as per their comfort, as per their business model. They divided in this way. But Sun Microsystems has not given Java in this way. Okay, sir. I understood. Core Java, Advanced Java, J2EE classification is not provided by Sun Microsystems. Tell me, this is wrong calculation. This is wrong classification that I know. But first of all, tell me, what is right classification? What is right classification? What Sun Microsystems has given? Please tell that information to me now. If we go over this point, I'm telling to you clearly, observe carefully. Java is provided by Sun Microsystems in the three parts as it is. What are the three parts here now? Observe carefully. The first one is like what I'm telling to you, J2SE. The first one is like what there? J2SE. In other words, Java SE. Next one, the second one is J2EE, or maybe it is like what there, Java EE, and third one is like what there, J2ME, or we can say like what there, Java ME. All of you are getting my point clearly? All of you are understanding this point clearly? So overall, the Java is available in three parts. What are the three parts? You know, J2SE or Java SE, J2EE or Java EE. Next one is like what there, J2ME or Java ME. In the form of these three parts only, Java is existed clearly. This is the right classification provided by Sun Microsystems, which is not provided by Ameripet Institutes. This is provided by Sun Microsystems. That is the home of the Java. Home company of the Java is what there. Mother of the Java is what there. Sun Microsystems. Initially, Sun Microsystems has given Java in the form of these three modules: J2SE, J2EE, J2ME, or simply Java SE, Java EE, and Java ME. Guys, I'm asking this question to you now. Tell me, how many parts are available in Java? Three parts. What are the three parts now? J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. Java SE, Java EE, and what next one there now? Java ME. These are the three parts are available inside the Java. Then immediately I have a question, sir. Overall, these three parts are available as per verses. I understand. Clear. These are the three parts in Java. Now onwards, if anybody is asking a question to me, what are the parts are available inside the Java, in the sense, I will not say core Java, advanced Java, J2EE. I have to say J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. Okay, fixed, no problem. But my doubt is, What is the purpose of J to SE? What is the purpose of J to EE? What is the purpose of J to ME? If anybody else is asking the question, what are the parts inside the Java? If I give reply J to SE, J to EE, J to ME, immediately that people are asking to me, what is the purpose of each and every part? There at least I have to give some answer for that question. By the time we have to give the answer like what there, first we have to understand like what there, J to SE or Java SE. Now here, what we are going to understand from this particular one, all of you observe carefully. That very first point here, what I am telling there, understand clearly. What is this J to SE? If you observe this, Java 2 Standard Edition. Abbreviation I am telling to you, Java 2 Standard Edition. Java 2 Standard Edition. Abbreviation I'm telling there. Java Standard Edition or Java 2 Standard Edition. Again, I'm having doubt, small doubt. Okay, sir. J2SE in the sense Java 2 Standard Edition. But I have a doubt, sir. Why the 2 is available in the middle of the name? Why some people have included the 2, number 2? Is there any significance for this number 2? Is there any significance for this number 2? People may ask this question to you. Then I'm giving clarity for you. Now try to understand this point clearly, guys. All of you know. This naming convention J to SE, J to EE, J to ME are provided along with Java second version of the Java. Because of this particular point, number 2 was included in its version name. J to SE, J to ME, J to EE, in the sense major changes, the complete Java. Initially, before second version of the Java, little bit Java is available, small Java is available. But in the second version of the Java, huge number of enhancements are available. More and more number of enhancements are available. 75% of the Java was provided along with the second version of the Java. Because of that reason, that number 2 was included inside this name J to SE, J to EE, J to ME. Because of the second version significance, number 2 was included. Later on, when the fifth version of the Java is coming into the picture, again more number of enhancements are added in our Java. From that point onwards, that number 2 was removed. From that point onwards, people are saying Java SE, Java EE, Java ME. Up to fifth version of the Java, J2 is available. Right from fifth or sixth version onwards, huge number of changes are available again in Java. That's why they removed number 2 from their naming convention. From that point onwards, Java SE, Java EE, and Java ME, that names are available. Guys, are of you following my points now? Clear to all of you know? Right, nice. Okay, sir. Abbreviation, I know, sir. Abbreviation is very simple. Even I can search in the internet, I can get it, no problem. What it will provide actually? In Java, in the complete Java, in the total Java programming language, what is the role of the J to SE? What J to SE is providing to me? That I want to know. If you want to know about the purpose of J to SE, if you want to know the purpose of J to SE, only one point here I'm telling to you. That point is like what there? It will cover only fundamentals of Java programming language. It will cover only what they know, fundamentals of Java programming language. It will cover the fundamentals of the Java programming language. Okay, sir. What is this fundamentals of the Java programming language? I will give a list of these fundamentals. No need to worry for it. Right, sir. Now understand this. With these fundamentals of the Java programming language, what I am able to do? Do I prepare any separate application on the basis of the fundamentals? Is it possible for me to prepare any one particular type of program, any one particular type of application in outside here now? Is it possible for me? If we observe this particular point here, with J to SE, that is with the fundamentals of the Java programming language, we are able to prepare only standalone applications. Come on, guys. We have to understand this. We are able to prepare which type of applications? No, standalone applications with the only fundamentals of the Java programming language. We are able to prepare only standalone applications. Then again, I'm having a question. What's my question here? No, sir, you have used the word standalone application. What is this standalone application? I want to know that. What is the meaning of this standalone application? No? Right, sir. Answer is very clear. Now try to understand it clearly. If we listen carefully, all of you listen carefully, if we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called as standalone application. Digest my points here. What is the definition I've given for standalone applications? No, if we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called as what they know, standalone application. Come on, guys, repeat along with me. What is a standalone application? If we design and execute any application, tell me, without using what? Without using what? Client server application, client server architecture. Without using client server architecture, or another one is like what there? Without distributing application logic over multiple missions, without distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called as, what is this application here? Now tell me. Standalone application. That application is called as like what there? Standalone application. Understand this point clearly, what I'm telling to you now. Right, sir. This is what exactly the meaning of like what there? Standalone application. Okay, sir. I understood this point here. I should not use what there? I should not use client server architecture. I should not use client server architecture. Okay, or else without distributing application logic, if we design and execute any application, that application is called as what they know? Standalone application. Let's see this punch here. I'm telling to you clearly. I want to give some diagram for this particular one. All of you observe this clearly, guys. Listen carefully. Guys, people are asking one question to me. Is it core Java or full stack Java? As the course today is a full stack Java, part of that full stack Java, I'm taking core Java class. Today is a demo for full stack Java. Part of that full stack Java, I'm taking demo for what their core Java. Both we can understand. Core Java and full stack Java, basic Java, complete Java packages. All we are starting today. Try to understand it clearly. Right, guys. Now observe carefully here what I'm telling to you. For example, this is my computer. Guys, all of you observe carefully. This is my computer. Now here, inside this computer here, what I provided here, not required. Understand it clearly. Now inside this computer, right, sir. Now I'm going to prepare a Java application inside my computer. Here we prepared like what there? A Java application here I prepared. This is my Java application. Any application, not exactly Java application here. Any application here we prepared now. Now inside this we provided some code, some instructions here we have written. Understand it here. Inside this instruction, some instructions here we have written. All right, sir. Then after completion of this, understand these instructions here. Something else, some instructions, some coding part here we prepared here. Observe carefully. Whenever we prepare this Java program here in a computer or in a mission, this I want to say like what there a mission. Why I'm saying this is a mission now every time. I don't say it is a computer. Why? Because why I'm saying it is a mission now. Java is not only for computer. Java can run in mobile application. Java can run in like what is some hardware kind of things. Java can run in all the missions now. Nearly 3 billion devices runs Java. So that's why I don't want to say only computer. I want to say that mission may be anything. That will be simply what they know, a mission. It may be mobile phone or it may be some hardware system. it may be some parking meters, it may be some signaling system, it may be anything, any system where Java is running, that I want to say as a mission. Try to understand it clearly. Right, sir. Now I prepared this Java program here clearly. There itself I'm compiling my program. There itself I compiled my program. There itself I executed my program. My program is asking input to me. I entered input in the same mission. My program is taking input in the same mission. My program is executed there. My program is giving output in the same mission. How many missions I have used there? How many missions I have used there? Is that only one mission or multiple missions now? Is that only one mission or multiple missions? Can no, only one mission. There I've used only one mission. Okay, inside this mission only I prepared my program, I compiled my program, I executed my program, I given input to my program in the same mission, I got output from the program in the same mission. Even I don't have any two missions, even I don't have any client server architecture, even I don't have any internet connection also, even I don't have any LAN connection also. My total application logic I provided within a single computer, where client server architecture is not available. Their client server architecture is not available. My everything I provided within the same computer. This is exactly called as what there? Standalone application. This is exactly called as what there? Standalone application. Guys, all of you are getting clarity what exactly the meaning of standalone application? What is the meaning of the standalone application? All of you are getting clarity on this? Right, sir. Now here I provided some diagram. Now try to understand this diagram clearly. That's okay, fine. This is the meaning of standalone application here, what I have given there. Already the diagram I provided, try to understand it clearly. Right, sir. Then after that, after completion of this, what next one here? I am telling to you after completion of this. 1 minute, guys. Okay. Right, sir. Now this is what exactly the meaning of standalone application. Don't worry. Is it visible? Is it visible now? Right, sir. Now observe carefully. Next one is after completion of this particular one, tell me any example for standalone application. Sir, up to now, whatever the points you said to me, that is clearly like what there. Right, sir. Java SE or J2SE stands for what there? Java 2 Standard Edition. That's okay. That point here I understood clearly. Nice. Then after that, what is the next point here I'm telling there? After understanding this, it will cover only the fundamentals of Java programming language. That's okay, fine. It will cover only fundamentals of the Java programming language. Nice. Next one is, by using these fundamentals, we are able to prepare standalone applications. Understood? What is this standalone application here? I given some definition here. Right, sir. What is the definition here I given there? No. If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called as what there? Standalone application. That's okay. Up to this points are very clear. Tell me any example for standalone application in outside. Any example for standalone application in outside here? If you observe this clearly, in my system, calculator is available or not? Come on, guys. In my system, calculator is available. So that calculator is an example for what there? Standalone application. Observe carefully. Is that calculator required any internet connection? Is that calculator required any two missions interaction? Is that calculator logic is distributed over multiple missions? No, that calculator, the tab is available within a single mission or not? Inside the single mission, we provided input or not? In the same mission, we are getting output or not? So it's the best example for what they know, a standalone application. Not only that, please recognize this point clearly, guys, all of you know. Not only that, inside my mission, how many softwares are open here? Now tell me, how many softwares are open? Paint I open, am I right or not? Your Paint is available. Paint is also be an example for like what they know is a standalone application. Not only that, Notepad I open here, Notepad, Sublime Text I open here, Notepad I open here now. This is my Sublime Text. That is one of the editor. Edit Plus is one of the editor. Notepad is another one here. Answer my point here now. edit plus for the sake of Java programs execution. Next one is a Notepad plus plus. All these are like what they know, standalone applications. Okay, sir. Good. These are the examples for standalone application. I understood there clearly. That's okay. Nice. Next, I have a question. In outside, so many software applications are available. So many software applications are available. If we take, for example, 100 applications now, out of this 100 number of software applications, how many applications are standalone applications now? Out of these 100 software applications now, how many applications are standalone applications? Just I'm asking, what exactly the ratio of the standalone applications in outside? What exactly the ratio of the applications are standalone applications in outside now? If we come for this particular point, answer is what there? 5% of the applications are standalone applications. 5% of the applications are what they know? Standalone applications. Please recognize this punch card. Remaining 95% of the applications are what they're non-standalone applications only. Only 5% of the applications are what they're standalone application. This is a relative comparison I'm telling them. Then immediately may have one question in our mind. Okay, sir. As per this demo class, I'm getting much clarity. Today's, as per your information, I'm getting very much clarity. Thus, by using core Java in the sense J2SE, by using core Java fundamentals, I'm able to learn. By using these fundamentals, I can prepare only standalone applications. Standalone application is an application that will be designed in such a way without using client-server architecture or without distributing application logic multiple missions that I understood. Then examples for standalone applications are what they know: Notepad, calculator, and so on and so on and so on. All these are standalone applications only. But how many applications are standalone applications? No, only 5% of the applications are what there? Standalone applications. Then immediately I'm getting one question in my mind. So today I'm learning core Java for the sake of only 5% of the application development in outside. Yes, sir. All of you are getting question in your mind or not? Actually, my brother is working with IBM. Every month he is getting nearly 70,000 per month. Every day made a call to me. Just I completed my BTech, maybe 6 or 7 months back, 5 months back, I completed my BTech. My brother made a call to me every day and he asked to me, go Hyderabad and learn Java programming language. Every day he's calling to me like this. Now today I came for demo class. When I came to the demo class, now you confirmed to me, you said to me, only 5% of the applications were able to prepare by using J2SE. So today I am coming for a demo class only for the sake of only 5% of the applications in outside. If application development is only 5% no, my job opportunity level is also be 5% no. Today I'm going to start my hard work for the sake of 5% of the opportunities no. Then where is the chance of getting job for me if it is only 5% of the requirement? You may get this type of question in our mind. But I'm giving clarity for all of you guys. Now try to understand it clearly. Understand this clearly what I'm telling to you. It's a direct utilization of the J2SE is only 5%. But it's a dependency level is its a dependency level is 1000%. It's a direct utilization is only 5% only, but its a dependency level is what they know 1000%. Are sir, what is this story today? You are giving only numeric values. At one side you are saying 5%, other side you are saying 1000. What is this? I'm getting somewhat confusion. Don't worry, I'll be clear about all these points. Direct utilization of the J2SE is a 5% only. I do agree that, but its a dependency level is what there 1000% now. How sir? How 1000% direct? How 1000% dependency level is available? Right. I will give some information to you. Now try to understand it clearly. Listen carefully. What I'm telling to you. One student, for example, just he completed his BTech. Then he want to join with a company. He didn't have any job opportunity. So he want to learn a course. With that particular requirement, he came to Amirpet, Hyderabad. When he came to Amirpet and Hyderabad, he inquired in outside which programming language I have to learn. In which programming language I am able to get a job immediately. Just he inquired about the programming languages. All right, sir. He had one default opinion. What is that opinion there? He want to learn Java programming language. With that intentionally came to Hyderabad. But somebody else in outside has given some information to him. Are yaar, if we go for Java, it's too much coding part and too much difficulties are available. Long time it will take. No, then don't go for Java. If you go for testing tools, no, Selenium testing is available outside. It's getting somewhat demand. Within 40 days, your course will be completed. Within next 1 week of time, you will get a job. Then you will get a company ID card in your neck in the next week. He shown that entire world in a single hand. Then student may felt for it as per his says no, then immediately searching for an institute to take a Selenium testing course. He searched, he identified one particular institute. He went for demo class. When he entered in the inside the demo class, when a trainer came to the class, when trainer has given information, the very first question that Selenium trainer will ask to you, what is that first question there? How many of you aware about core Java? How many of you aware about J2SE? If you know J2SE, then only continue my course. If you don't know J2SE, please leave from the class. Indirectly, what he is saying there, Selenium testing is depending on core Java. Selenium tool, the Selenium product is depending on what they know, Java programming language. So because of that reason, you must have awareness on it. Indirectly, what is the point here? Selenium is depending on J2SE or not? Then the student is changed his mind. Arey, yaar, already thought of it, Java is too much difficult. That's why I came for the Selenium. But the Selenium people are saying to me, then go and join with the Java course. After completion of core Java, only come to the Selenium. Again, they're saying learn Java. Then to avoid the Java only, I came for the Selenium. But again, people are saying to me, then go and join with the Java classes here. So Selenium is not suitable for me. He came outside of the demo class. Again, he inquired about some other people there. What course I have to learn other than this Java, other than the Selenium? Then immediately some other people are giving information to him. What's that information there? Here Salesforce is one of the reporting tool is available outside now. It's having very good demand in outside now. Go and join with the Salesforce classes there. Then if you learn Salesforce class now, within 25 to 1 month of time, you will complete your training, you will get job directly. The same student might be searching for some other institute who they are taking these Salesforce classes now. He went for a demo class. In the same demo class, what happened there? Again, the Salesforce trainer came. He has taken the total demo class. At the end of the demo class, he has given a bomb blast. What is that blast there? No. If you want to learn a Salesforce technology, you must know core Java. Then only it is possible. Otherwise, it is very much difficult to learn Salesforce. So better to complete core Java than come for the Salesforce technologies. Again, student thinking is what there? Arey yaar, I thought of it, Java is too much difficult. That's why I went for Selenium, where people are saying dependencies on core Java. That's why I came for what they know. Then Salesforce. Again, people are saying what there. Again, Salesforce is also depending on core Java. I want to avoid this core Java. That's my main intention here. That's why again he came out from this content here, the demo class there. He thought of it. Salesforce is also be not suitable. Again, he inquired for some other alternative. Some other people have given there. Haraya, don't go for Java, Selenium, and Salesforce. No, nowadays mobile development, mobile application development is very good trending in outside now. Better to go for Android classes now. Android platform is available for mobile application development. Again, he went for one institute for the sake of the Android demo class. In the Android demo class also, what happened? They know that Android trainer has given prerequisite for this Android is what they know, core Java. If you know core Java, then only come for Android technology. Again, the dependency is available. What is the next step of the student? No, again he thought of it. Android is also be not suitable. He went outside there. Some people are giving information there. Hey, don't go for all these technologies. No, SAP related tools are available. SAP related tools are available. ABAP or HR or maybe different things. No, go and join with the classes. No, he went for the demo class also. There also be trained as given information is what there core Java you have to learn. Then only we can come for what there SAP tools. Finally, what he has decided, guys? What he is thinking, no? So without core Java, I'm unable to survive in outside. So if you want to survive in software industry, what I required here, no, core Java is required. What I thought there, no, core Java is required. Then again, some other people are giving information. Go and join with Python. Go and join with Python. Okay, then in the case of Python, no dependency on core Java. Yes, I do agree for that. But there is a small logic in that. What's that logic there? No, if you know core Java, nothing is there about Python. If you learn a core Java, Python is nothing. Still, you are not believing my statement now. If you have knowledge on core Java, nothing is available inside the Python. Am I right or not? Say, for example, how many of you are aware about bike riding? Are you aware? I think almost all of you are aware about the bike riding, right? Okay. If you drive a bike in Hyderabad, because of this topic, and if you drive a bike in Hyderabad or maybe car in Hyderabad, you can drive safely in any other city in India. Am I right or not? So that is the situation in Hyderabad here. If you ride bike in Hyderabad, throughout the world, at any location, you can ride the bike in a safest mode. If you learn Java, you can play with any other technology in outside. If you learn Java, you can survive in any other technology in outside. So finally, the point is what there. If you know Java, Python is nothing. But if you learn already Python, and if you want to come for Java, hands-out situation. Arrested, totally arrested. You may not understand anything. Why? Because even I think you are not believing my statement here. In the case of Java, observe carefully here. In the case of Java, if you want to declare a variable, what we have to do there? Int I is equal to 10. Very good, clear. I is a variable, data type is integer, value is 10 semicolon. Very clear. But the same thing if you want to see in the Python, no, simply I is equal to 10. Now tell me, first if we learn I is equal to 10, if we go for this one, it's very much difficult. First if we learn int I is equal to 10, if we go for Python, that is very simple. Sir, got my point or not? Sir, as per our side, Python is very simple. Can I go for Python class now? Your life will be ended there itself. Finish. Don't have such kind of thinking here. Example I'm telling to you. Observe carefully what I'm telling to you clearly. Right, guys? Anyway, here my intention is not to compare Java and Python here. My intention is not to talk any other information about these two concepts here. My thinking is what there. What's the point I'm telling to you? Observe carefully. Java is a dependent programming language. Dependent programming language. Dependent programming language for multiple things. What are these multiple things here? Now understand this clearly. First one is like what I'm telling to you. Observe carefully. First one is, right, sir. First one is like what there? J to EE. If you want to learn J to EE, we require J to SE. Answer my point here. Next one is like what there? Another point is like what I'm telling to you. Observe carefully. After this J to EE, what next one here we are able to say no? Say for example, Android. Android. This is another one. Next one is like what there after completion of this Android here no. Now Selenium. Understand my point here. Selenium. Then and so on. So many technologies. Just some of them I listed here. But so many technologies are saying like that. What here no? These are the dependencies here we are able to understand. So many dependencies are existed here no. So because of that reason, Java is a dependent programming language, and its dependency is available up to like what they know 1000%. That's why every programmer nowadays in outside, every programmer must learn a Java programming language. Otherwise, it is not possible to survive in a software industry. Minimum one programming language is required. That's why we have to come for what they know J2SE. Guys, all of you are getting clarity on these points now? Now, can you give clarity on these points here? What exactly the points we discussed up to now? Right, how many parts are available in Java? How many parts are available in Java? 3 parts. Can you tell me what are the 3 parts now? J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. Can you tell me some points about J2SE? What is J2SE? Java 2 standard edition. And what it will cover actually? It will cover only the fundamentals of the Java programming language. By using fundamentals, what applications we are able to prepare? Standalone applications. Can you tell me what is standalone application now? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called as what they know? Standalone application. Answer my point here. Next one is examples for standalone applications are what there? Calculator, Paint, Notepad, Edit Plus, Notepad plus plus, and so on. How much percentage of applications are standalone applications? No, 5%, right? But what is its dependency level here? No, 1000%. It is a dependent programming language for J2EE, Android, and Selenium, SAP related things, Salesforce, and so on and so on and so on. So many technologies are dependent on core Java only. That is J2SE only. Now tell me, J2SE is mandatory for us or not? J2SE is mandatory for us or not? Definitely, J2SE is mandatory for our applications, for our career also. J2SE is mandatory. Nothing are very simple. If I ask a question to you, why you are coming for Java class, why you are learning Java course now, you may say your own reasons no. What are the reasons here? Sir, I completed my BTech 4 years back now. My parents wants to arrange a marriage for me, but female people are asking a job for me. That's why I'm learning core Java today. Is it the reason for you? Yeah, I'm giving clarity, very good clarity. With core Java qualification, without core Java qualification, if I identify this, without core Java, your dowry may be 1 lakh. With core Java, your dowry may be 1 CR. What is that CR, sir? 1 crore. This is only core Java. If you learn advanced Java along with core Java, 2 crore. If you learn a Spring framework along with the core and advanced Java, 5 crore. Then you can demand your own way. But don't ask me how much dowry you have taken now. As you're teaching all the Java programming language here. Fine, nice. Now let's understand this clearly. This is the story behind what there J2SE, J2SE. Got my point or not? Don't calculate my dowry, yaar. People are calculating my dowry, right? Don't calculate my dowry. Huh? My dowry is 0 NP only. Now, okay, this discussion is stop, right? So now that's sufficient here. Don't calculate my dowry, then how I got married, and that's a different story. Now come for our point here. Now the second thing is like what there. Now tell me, what is the second one here? No, J2EE. What is this J2EE actually? J2EE or Java EE. Now tell me, sir, what is standalone application? Can you tell me? Already you had information about it. What is the standalone application? Tell me, if we design and execute any application or what there any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called as what there? Standalone application. But here, what is a distributed application now? If we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture, on the basis of what they know, client server architecture, or by distributing application logic over multiple missions, by distributing application logic what their multiple missions, then that application is called as like what their distributed application. In other words, distributed application, in other words, we can say like it is what they know, enterprise application. That's it, guys. Distributed application or enterprise application. Tell me what exactly the definition for distributed application or enterprise application. No, if we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called as like what there, distributed application, or like what there, standard, that means enterprise application. Right, now let's understand this example clearly, all of you know. Now I want to show one diagram here. Now try to understand this diagram, guys. All of you observe carefully. As I said to you, now this is like what I'm telling there clearly. This is standalone application. Now here, I want to take a computer here. This is my computer, one computer. Now this is my another computer. Observe carefully. Two computers, maybe simply speaking, like what there, two missions here I've taken. This is like what I'm telling there, one mission, and this is another mission. Two missions here I've taken. Right, sir. Now inside these two missions here, I prepared one application here, and this also be another application. Observe carefully. two different applications are prepared on two different missions. My program, my application logic is distributed over two missions. Now I want to say this is like what their client mission, and this is like what their, what I'm telling them, no, server mission. Client mission, then what next one can know, server mission. Between these two missions, internet is required. Network is required or not? Between these two missions, internet is required, network is required. Okay, fine. Over the network, we are able to have some protocol. That's a different story, what I'm telling to you. After completion of this, then what I'm telling to you, when we execute these two programs, now okay, at client mission, I've written one program there. At server mission also, I've written another program. All of you observe carefully. At client mission, whatever the program we have written there, that program is called as like what there, client application. At server mission, whatever the program I have written here, that is called as like what there, server application, server side application. When we execute this particular application, when we execute this particular client application, already server is started, already server side program is ready to serve. Now when we execute client side application, automatically a request will be submitted to the server side program. A request, this is a request which is submitted by client. A request will be submitted to the server side program. Server side program will be executed. Whatever the request which is coming there with respect to a server side program will be executed. By the execution of the server side program, automatically some response will come to the respective client program. This is like what their response. This is like what they know response. Guys, all of you observe carefully. Say for example, myself is a server. You're all clients now. You are sending request to me. I'm giving some service to you. That is response I'm giving there. Similarly, this is server. Now this is client. Client is sending request to the server. Now server is sending some response back to the respective client. All of you get my point or not? Client is sending request to the server. Server is sending some response back to the respective client. Get my point or not? Clearly, right? So now this is what exactly the meaning of like what the distributed application. Now tell me here, client side application and server side application collectively is an enterprise application. Okay, now inside this enterprise application, my application logic is distributed over multiple machines or not? My application is developed on the base of client server architecture or not? That's why this application is called as what they know, enterprise application. Otherwise this application is also be called as like what their distributed application. Guys, all of you are getting my point or not? What is the meaning of distributed applications? Is everything is clear to all of you guys? No response. All right, sir. Then you have to give some response to me. Now this is like what I'm telling to you clearly, the distributed application here, what I prepared clearly. Understand this now. That's okay, fine. Then after that, after completion of this distributed application here, how many applications are distributed applications in outside now? Now tell me here. How many applications are distributed applications here? Now tell me here. How many applications are standalone applications in outside there? Now tell me. How many applications are standalone applications? No, 5% of the applications are what there? Standalone applications. But in outside, how much percentage of the applications are distributed applications? No, 95% of the applications are what they know, distributed applications only. How much percentage of the applications are distributed applications? No, 95% of the applications are what there? Distributed applications. Okay, sir. Now understand it now. For standalone applications, we are giving some examples. Maybe small applications, calculator or paint or browser or something else in my system, what I installed. Everything is a standalone application. Okay, that I know. But tell me in the same way now, tell me some examples for distributed applications. Right, sir. Nowadays, in every sector, distributed applications or enterprise applications are going on. Nowadays, in every sector, distributed applications or enterprise applications are going on. Tell me some examples still. Bank application, guys, understand it now. For example, I have an account in ICICI Bank. My friend has an account in HDFC Bank. My friend requested for me. He is unemployed actually. He didn't have any job. He requested to me, send some 10,000 now. Send 10,000 rupees now. Then immediately what I have to do there? Then I'm going to transfer 10,000 amount from my account to my friend account. Then what I have to do there? First of all, I have to send a request to request to ICICI server side application. ICICI server side application will send some transformation to what they know HDFC Bank application. HDFC Bank application will confirm some transaction there and giving some acknowledgement to the ICICI Bank application. Then final ICICI Bank application will perform its transactions and giving some acknowledgement to me. Now tell me, two server-side programs are communicated or not? Myself, I'm communicating with ICICI application or not? My friend is communicating with HDFC Bank application or not? So this entire thing is nothing but client-server architecture or not? Myself is a client, ICICI Bank server-side application is a server-side program. ICICI server-side program is a client for a HDFC server-side application. My friend is a client for HDFC server-side application. Everything is related with the client-server architecture or not? That is an example for what there distributed application or an enterprise application. Leave it. That is not the example. Okay, another example here. Sir, no need to transfer amount from one account to another account here. Nowadays, maybe Google Pay, Phone Pay, number of things are coming. Just if you have mobile number that's sufficient, I can transfer the amount. And then here again, here what is going to be happen there? I have a Phone Pay account. I have Phone Pay with my mobile phone here. Then what I have to do there? I have to open that Phone Pay or not, where I have to enter my friend mobile number or not. When I click on process to pay, when I click on pay, some server, that phone pay application server will contact with what their ICICI application server. ICICI application server side program will contact with what they know HDFC Bank application there. HDFC Bank application will complete the transaction and giving acknowledgement to my friend and giving again acknowledgement to what their ICICI application. ICICI application will give acknowledgement to what they know phone pay application server. Phone pay application server is giving acknowledgement to me. Phone pay application server is giving some acknowledgement to me or not. So this is a process here. Everything is what the client server architecture only. No, sir. Today I learned Java perfectly. Okay, after completion of the class, I want to take a food. Unfortunately, when I go to my hostel, when I go to my mansion, when I go to my room, but food is not good today. Food is not good today. Then, but I am hungry. I want to take some food. Then what I have to do now? No, then what I have to do there? Immediately, so many alternatives are available. I don't want to go to the restaurant now because of pandemic now. I don't like to go for restaurant here. Am I right or not? I don't want to go for restaurant here. So what I have to do there? Then I'm going to take your mobile phone and order in a Swiggy or Zomato or not? Sir, am I right or not? What is going on in your Swiggy, sir? What is going on in your Swiggy? There also be client server architecture is going on. Just we have taken a mobile phone where we found that what they know, what we open there, Swiggy app we opened there, where we ordered something, we provided already confirming that order. When we ordered something, request will go to the Swiggy server. That Swiggy server will go to what they know, respect to what they know, hotel. Respect to hotel, there also be some app is available. Maybe Swiggy app is available. There also it will communicate with the respective hotel, restaurant people. From restaurant people, they will get confirmation. That confirmation will be given back to me. Then after that, the Swiggy server side application will give a notification to the nearest delivery boy. The nearest delivery boy will accept it. He will go to the hotel. He will take the food item and come to our home and giving that food item to me. Then after that, he submitted some feedback form to us. The rating we have to give there. Here also be what is going to be happen here. Myself is a client for Swiggy server side application. Now Swiggy is a client for what they know restaurant server side application, and as well as that is delivery boy. Delivery boy is a client for what they know Swiggy application. Then here also everything is going on with the client server architecture or not. Then here also everything is going on under distributed environment or not. So because of that reason, every domain, even in educational domain, aerospace domain, banking domain, healthcare domain, insurance domain, every domain, every platform, all the applications are what they know enterprise applications only. Enterprise applications only are what they know distributed applications only. Guys, all of you are following these points, no? Right, so just 1 minute, no? I think I don't know what is this, and our admin people are giving some intimation to us. Respected sir, please announce to students regarding special offer applicable for those who are attended today demo class for Java. Okay, and they are given both some concessions related to this offline and online classes, guys. I think so. I don't like to talk about payments inside the class. But once it is benefit you, then only I can talk about it. I think so there is a benefit for you, so I can talk about it. Anyway, further details we can reach out our office, that my admin people will give more clarity on it. What they are given there, some concessions they are giving on the courses now, below courses. Basic Java package, how much amount is available original, just you can talk with our admin people there, where in the basic Java 1,000 rupees concession is going on. In a complete Java package 2,000, in a full stack Java 3,000 concession is going on. Then we can reach out our office for getting further details now. So just only primary information I'm telling there, but how much cost is available for each and every course. And this is valid up to Monday, up to Monday. Today is the first demo class. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, no classes there. For this only first demo class today. Second demo class will be on Monday. On this Monday, up to Monday, they have given option there. Regarding these 3 or 4 days of time, they are giving this option there. After that, original cost is going to be applied for the respective courses. In both offline and online, we can check out our office there. They are able to give more information. Anyway, this is information. This is sufficient for us. Right, sir. Regarding this concession related information, I'm telling to you. More details, if you want to get there, go to our office and try to inquire about at our office there. Let's come to our content here. Let's come on. Let's come to our point here. So 95% of the applications are what, sir? Distributed applications are what they know? Enterprise applications. Now, are you getting clarity? No. If you want to learn now, if you want to learn now, enterprise application, what is required here now? Tell me. If you want to learn enterprise application, what is required? What is the prerequisite here now? J2 SE, what is a prerequisite or not? If you want to go for J2 EE, prerequisite is what there? J2 SE or not? Come on, guys. No response here. I think you are feeling today cricket match was not happened, right? You thought of it. Today cricket match was not happened. Already you disappointed with the World Cup matches now. About the Indian performance. India performance, you are disappointed there. Today you are having some hopes over the New Zealand team. India is going to win. You thought like that. But today match was not happened because of some raining or something else. Match was not happened. That's why you are dull, I think so today, right? Is it the reason? No? So no problem here. We are playing already cricket inside our class now. Already we started cricket match today. Whatever the match you require, I'm ready to play. Is it a 2020 or test matching or maybe one day cricket match? Anything is ready. If you're ready to bowl with me, then I can play anything. Ready for it? For this also no response. Right, sir. Good, nice. Now let's come for our content here. So these are the like what there 95% of the applications are what there like distributed applications. Leave this punch here. After completion of this, then what is this third one, guys? Now tell me. Third one is like what they know J2 ME or what next one can know Java ME. Guys, really I'm telling there, it's a waste of time to discuss about the J2 ME as of now. But as per my responsibility, I have to give minimum information here. Not required, but still minimum points I'm telling to you. Try to understand it now. Point number one, what I am telling to you, what is the abbreviation for J2ME, guys? Now tell me. What is the abbreviation for J2ME, guys? All of you now tell me. Abbreviation for J2ME is what there? Please respond for me. What is the abbreviation for J2ME? All right. Now the abbreviation is what there? Java 2 Micro Edition, not Mobile Edition. Please respond for me. Java 2 what they know? Micro Edition, not like what there? Mobile Edition. Okay, fine. J2SE will cover what they know? Fundamentals of the Java. J2EE will cover what they know? Server side programming. J2EE will cover what there? Server side programming. But J2ME will cover what type of programming you know? Micro programming. J2ME will cover what they know? Micro programming. Please guys observe carefully. Micro programming. Right, sir. By using this micro programming, which type of applications here we are able to prepare now? By using micro programming, we are able to prepare mobile based applications. By using micro programming, we are able to prepare what they know? Mobile based application. Sir, what is this mobile based application, sir? Already aware about it now. If we design and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware system, then that application is called as, then that application is called as, tell me guys, what is this application here? No, mobile based application. That's it. This is my point here. If design and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware architecture, mobile hardware system, then that application is called as what there? Mobile based application. Any examples are about this mobile based applications now? So many examples are available. So many examples are available. Now try to understand it now. For example, I want to give some order in Swiggy. Then what we have to do first? We have to install Swiggy app in our mobile or not? Come on, guys. We have to go for Play Store where we have to search for Swiggy app. No, their Swiggy app is available where install button is coming. We have to click on install button. Then Swiggy app is installed or not? That app is nothing but what they know, mobile based application. Not only that, I want to see some cricket score updates, sir. Cricket Buzz is available. Cricket Buzz is an app or not? Then we have to go for Play Store again. We have to search for Quick Buzz. Then click on install button. Now it is installed in our mobile phone. That is like again what they know, mobile application. Yes, guys, all of you get my point or not? Not only that, I have my Airtel connections are in my mobile phone. Every month I have to pay the payment. To pay the payment, I don't want to go for Airtel store every time. So what I have to do there? My Airtel app is available. What is that app name there now? My Airtel app that is provided by Airtel provider. Then we have to install that My Airtel app in our mobile phone. Automatically we can pay the bills. Now the app what we installed in our mobile phone, that is called as like what there now? Mobile application. Again I'm telling that calculator is available as an app inside our mobile phone. Calculator is available, calendar is available. All these are like what they know, mobile applications only. Answer my point here. So now here calculator in mobile phones. Okay, then after that, what next one here? After this calculators in our mobile phones, you know. Then apart from this, what I am telling you know, calendar in mobile phones. Right, sir, mobile phones. Then what next one? And so on. So many things are existed here. We can understand. All these are like what their examples here now. Nice, very good. Now, what is the point I'm telling there? Observe carefully, guys. One important point I'm telling there. Mobile application development or mobile applications are having very good demand in outside market. Very good demand is available for mobile application development, but no demand is available for J2ME. Very good demand is available for mobile application development and outside, but no demand is available for what there? No demand is available for what there? J2ME in outside. Why no demand is available for J2ME in outside here? No, because of number of alternatives for J2ME. Number of alternatives are available for mobile application development. Like Android is available. When Android came into the picture, J2ME got down totally. J2ME is dead totally when Android came into the picture. Nobody is thinking about J2ME. When iPhone technology is available, Apple iPhone technology is available, when Swift is available there, because of these many alternatives, no, J2ME is not having any demand in outside. It's almost all dead in outside here. Because of that reason, nobody is thinking about J2ME. Nobody is thinking about like what they know, mobile application development in outside with J2ME. That's why no need to think much about like what their J2ME in our content. Nobody is thinking about like what their J2ME in our content. So J2SE, J2EE are the two main concepts of like what they know, Java. What are the two main concepts in Java here? No, J2SE and J2EE. J2ME is not the part inside like what there Java. In that way, the Java is available at present here. But really, it's a part of the Java only. But no demand is available. People are not interested to go for what they know J2ME. Guys, all of you are following these points, no? Right. So now this is what exactly the meaning of Java. Finally, I'm asking one question to all of you guys. Now try to answer for it. Please, all of you respond for me. I'm asking one question there. How many parts are available in Java? 3 parts. What are the 3 parts now? J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. Right, sir. J2SE abbreviation is what? Java 2 Standard Edition. J2E abbreviation? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. J2ME abbreviation? Java 2. Please, for the sake of me, please loud your voice there at least. I want to hide your sweet voices, no? Right? Why you hide yourself? All right, sir. Now, J2SE will cover what? Fundamentals of the Java. J2EE will cover what? Server-side programming. J2ME will cover what? Micro programming. By using fundamentals of Java, what type of applications we are able to prepare? Right, standalone application. By using J2EE, what type of applications we are able to prepare? Distributed applications or enterprise applications. Next one is after that. J2ME will prepare which applications? No, mobile-based applications. Okay, fine. Now, standalone applications without using client-server architecture. Enterprise application by using client-server architecture. Mobile-based application on the top of the mobile hardware system. Then after that, how much ratio of the applications are standalone applications? No, 5%. How much ratio of the applications are enterprise applications? No, 95%. How much ratio of applications are mobile based applications? No, 100%. But no demand is available for what there? J2ME. Because of other technologies, other platforms, demand is available for mobile application development, but no demand is available for what there? J2ME. So this is the fundamental information here given clearly. Guys, fine. Just this is the basic information here I'm telling here. Now, next to 10 minutes content is very, very important. Now try to understand it. No, content in the sense not about the Java. First of all, I want to say my action of plan. What exactly my plan of taking these classes here? What I'm starting today, at least we need to have some awareness here. That's why I'm trying to cover this information clearly to you. Right, so today I started nearly how many batches there? 3 batches here, 4 batches here I started here. Now the first one, batch 1 is like what there? Core Java. Guys, is it visible to all of you? Last term. Okay, first batch is what there? Core Java. I started. Next one is second batch here. I'm telling to you, this second batch is what there? Now, basic Java package. Basic Java package. This is second batch. And third batch here. What is the third batch here? I started here. Understand this. Third batch is complete Java package. Complete Java package. Then after that, fourth batch, what I started here, inside this fourth batch, observe carefully. Now this is what I'm telling there, full stack Java package. Full stack Java developer, simply I'm saying full stack Java package. These are the batches. Today I started here. Core Java is only single course here, we can understand it, no? Under this basic Java, what I'm going to be covered, number 1, core Java. Guys, all of you observe this clearly. Number 1, core Java. Number 2, advanced Java. Number 3, like Oracle on database is required. Number 4, basic UI. Basic UI in the sense HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then what next one here? And Bootstrap and jQuery. These basic concepts only. Not Angular, not React JS. Other things are in a different.